How they capture an interesting sound that this engine makes after you start it. Takes a minute for it to kick in. Not the squeaking sound. We'll have to figure out what that is later. Whatever that is, it does it like 5 times, 6 times, and then stops. If anybody has any idea what that is, let me know.